Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with a haul from Tracy's Destash. I haven't been shopping Facebook groups very much recently, but she had some good stuff, so I wanted to pop in there and see what she had. I think this was like a gift bag, so let's see what was in here. Oh, we got a cute little pair of earrings. I don't wear earrings, so I might put these in a giveaway at some point, but oh, those are pretty. They've got some nice like cane glass. If you don't know what, sorry, I'm trying to get this better lighting. King glass is clear glass that has like rods going through it, and then we've got a bicone and a crystal on it, so cute. And then we've got like a little heart sodalite worry stone, and I don't think I bought these, but there's some metallic coppery bronzy glass beads. Those are fun. They look almost like fire polish beads, but they're not. Oh, what's this? We've got a little, I don't know what kind, it's a crystal spike, but I don't know what kind of rock it is. Maybe just quartz. And then we've got some little mermaid tails. Those are fun, purple and gold. Thanks, Tracy. I appreciate you. All right, so I got a couple things going on here. I bought 2 strands of these. They're multicolor Pearlrondells. They're glass, I'm pretty sure. But aren't they yummy? Don't those look like candy? We've got pinky purple, like a mauve brown, an orange, and a green. It's a weird color combo. I don't think I would use them together, but that's why I bought 2 strands, and I think they were $2 each strand, so I can have enough of each one. Maybe future Brittany will actually sort those and put them into the correct color drawers. Then we had these koi, these Carnelian Koi. They were $2.50 for one. It's a focal. I feel like, is this a bead? I can't remember. Oh, no, it's a pendant. I was going to say, if it was a bead, I would for sure just make this a bracelet. I can almost just still glue something to either side, or at least to this side, and then just wire wrap this side. I don't know. I feel like that would look awesome with some brass, and it's like African brass and some African beads. I feel like that would be so stinking amazing. Next, I have some fake cinnabar or faux cinnabar fish. So these are acrylic, I think, and they're just little fishy beads. I loved them. And then we have 10 at 35 cents. So these were, again, faux cinnabar, but they're just one little fishy. Super duper cute. Little adorable fishies. Those would be cute if I painted them too. I just got some red glass. I think these are vintage red glass beads. Some of the holes are obstructed, so I'll need to use a bead reamer, but that shouldn't be a problem. I got this one bead, and it's kind of an inside joke, so I'm not with me and Tracy, but it's a little duck, and I'm just gonna probably make a bracelet or something for myself because I'm not even gonna explain it, but I thought it was super cute, and it came up at the right time to where I was like, okay, I have to get that, and it was 75 cents. Then more faux cinnabar. These, I can't even tell, it's maybe $1 each. They're little 3D Lotus beads. These are huge. They almost look like little artichokes. They're a little dusty. So I might use I don't know, I could use like some mineral oil or something to get that dust off. I don't know. We'll see. But I think they're so cool. And then I got some check beads. These were $4. There's a ton of them on here, and they've got that beautiful AB. They're like a gray-green, and they have that beautiful AB. And then I got them in this like metallic-y purple, which I just think are super duper fun. Not a color I use a lot, but these would look good with pearls. And then I got this planchette. I think that's how you say it. I don't typically buy this shape because I'm not like a real like Ouija board fan. I don't know, maybe I got scarred as a kid for playing with my friends or something, but I do like the eye. This one is more mystic, and it doesn't necessarily have to go, I feel like, with a Ouija board. It just could be a shape. But I liked it. I thought maybe I could paint it in the future. It's huge. I think it's cool. It'd be a really neat statement piece. And then the same type of wood here, but in a skull. So, and if you don't have a nice comment about one or both of these, please don't post it because I don't care. People will come out of the woodwork to tell you crazy things on YouTube videos, and I'm telling you right now, your comment will be deleted if it's not nice. So my favorite thing, I think, was this koi. Yeah, for sure. The koi was my favorite, and the duck, I think. So I had fun. Thanks, Tracy. I'll put all the information to her Facebook page where she does Destash sales. So check her out. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye.